In this video, we'll look at how to create a text grouping column. We have a small sample data set here with numbers for 6 different products. It's a mix of fruits and vegetables, and they're not organized by type of any kind. But we can introduce a column that allows us to put all fruits together and all vegetables together. So what we do is we go into edit this data table, we select our data source, and we press the calculated columns pill. We say new column, new text grouping column. We have a title which we can control. Let's call it product group. The source column is product, and we press mapping to create a new mapping setting for values to group. And here we can enter comma separated values that exist in the product column. So we're entering apples, oranges, bananas, and as a group label we enter fruits. We add a second mapping where we enter all existing vegetables in the data, so tomatoes, lettuce, onions, and vegetables is the group name of that. We press refresh preview, we inspect the result here, we can scroll down and see more samples, and it seems to have worked out fine. So we press save and back, and the data is now enriched with a new column called product group, which we can apply to our visualization. We add it to the breakdown, we put it on top, so we get everything organized into fruits and vegetables. In the table we can do a similar thing. On breakdown we add a product group to this stack of text columns, we put it on top, and the products are now organized by type like this.